A new year is upon us, and there is no better time to catch up on some household tasks that'll help prepare you for a brand new year. The tasks that I'm going to share with you are small, achievable, and can help your home feel nice and refreshed, meaning that you'll feel more prepared going into the new year. Hi, my name is Blain Thomas, and I'm going to share 4 small ways to refresh your home for the brand new year. Task number 1, clean out your pantry, fridge, and freezer. The kitchen is one of the most highly used rooms in the home. It's easy for things to go unchecked when the home is busy, especially during and after the holidays. The beginning of the month is a great time to go through your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Look for items that are near their expiration date and either plan on using them or donating them. If an item is already expired, please throw it out. Focus on keeping items that you know you'll use. Task number 2, new pillows, towels, and bedding. If there's anything that receives a lot of wear and tear, it's your pillows, your towels, and your bedding. All 3 items are used daily, and all 3 can harbor plenty of dirt and bacteria if they are not cleaned regularly. Starting the year with fresh linen can be a great treat to yourself. For pillows, experts suggest replacing them every 12 to 24 months. For towels, it is suggested to wash them every 2 days. For bed sheets, it's suggested that they get washed once a week. Task number 3, keep work away. For many of us, our jobs moved from the office to the home during the pandemic. While we may have been working home for nearly 2 years, it's still so easy for work to overtake our living areas. For the new year, take some time to get work away from the living area. If your work items are taking over your home, dedicate a space specifically for your work items and try your best to leave them there. And the last task, add some greenery. Plants have a way of lifting moods, and adding one to your home is a fine way to boost your spirit and prepare for the new year. Plants have also been known to clean the air, and NASA has done extensive studies to find the plants that are best suited for more improved air quality. Researchers have found that small, achievable improvements are more approachable and easier to complete. For this new year, focus on the small items that will help refresh your home and get you off to a great start for 2022. Once those are done, you can focus on more tasks that you know you've been putting off since before 2022. And with that being said, again, my name is Blain Thomas, and I would love to help you, your friends, and your family with your real estate needs. If you or someone you know is looking to list their home or looking to buy a new one, please don't hesitate to contact me. I've provided my email in the description below. Again, my name is Blain Thomas, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy New Year.